A baby elephant meets his forefather. One day, a baby elephant, while roaming in the animal kingdom, lost his way. He looked everywhere for his mother and father, but could not find them. He spent the whole day looking for his friends, or even any other elephant who could console him. Unfortunately, nobody was in sight. The tired baby elephant waited, and waited for someone to turn up and take him home. When you firmly wish for something to happen, sometimes it does happen. The baby elephant also wished that some elephant would come and take him home. At once the baby elephant heard heavy footsteps approaching him slowly but steadily. But there was nobody in sight. Out of fear he closed his eyes and listened attentively. Then he felt the physical presence of someone big like his mother or father. The baby elephant opened his small eyes slowly. Whom did he see? A large woolly animal, similar to an elephant, stood before him. The strange animal had 2 long tusks, a long trunk, and 2 tiny eyes. He differed from an ordinary elephant only in one respect. His whole body was covered with long and coarse hair. The baby elephant was scared even to move his legs. So he remained silent and rooted to the ground. "I came to take you home," said the stranger. But I am scared. "I don't know you," said the baby elephant with great difficulty. "Don't be afraid of me. I am a mammoth. I belong to the forefathers of elephants now roaming in the animal kingdom," said the mammoth. "Where are you living now?" asked the baby elephant. Without answering the question, the mammoth said, "I lived in the animal kingdom about 20,000 years ago. You can see the paintings of mammoths in the Stone Age caves. If you take me home, I will come and see you again." "Where are you living?" asked the baby elephant once again. "I'm now living in the other world. You cannot come there. However, some of my friends are still living in remote parts of the animal kingdom away from other animals," said the mammoth, vanished. The baby elephant wiped his eyes and looked for the mammoth, but there was nobody in sight except his mother. The mother elephant felt that her baby was frightened of something. "What's the matter, dear?" she asked. "Mummy, I saw a mammoth," said the baby elephant. "Oh, don't worry too much over mammoths. They were our forefathers," said the mother elephant. "No, Mummy, I saw a mammoth today," insisted the baby elephant. "You have been dreaming a lot. If you are tired, please go to bed, my dear," said the mother elephant. The baby elephant never met a mammoth again. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.